If you're reaching out to potential clients, whether that's via email or via ads or via direct outreach, but you feel like you're just not hitting it, you're just missing the mark with your targeting, with your communication, then this is probably because you haven't dialed in your customer avatar. Now, this is something that, marketers always tell you to do. It's like something super basic, right? It's foundational. It's the thing that you have to have, but it can feel very tedious, right? You've probably done it a couple of times already, and every time you have to redo it, you're like, I don't want to redo it. Or maybe you haven't done it. Maybe you haven't talked about your client avatar in detail, and you're facing a list of questions from somebody that gave it to you, or you just want to dial in your messaging and you want to have the shortcut. So this is going to be about how you can create a very, very detailed, very precise, very good custom avatar very fast by using AI. We're going to use ChatGPT in this video. And by doing this exercise and having a crystal clear avatar, you're going to have better ads, you're going to have better outreach, you're going to know better how to produce your offer, how to position your offer, and everything is just going to make you more money. And your message will stop being ignored. So I'm going to use an example, and if you stay until the end, I'm going to give you a super nice bonus tip. I'm also going to give you the prompt that I'm using and how I do things. So let's jump into the computer and look how we can create a perfect custom avatar in detail with ChatGPT in like less than 10 minutes. Okay, so this is basically ChatGPT, right? This is our prompt. So first we have to give it some input, right? We have to tell it a little bit about our service, about our transformation that our service provides, and who our ideal customer is. So I'm gonna start with myself. I always use voice typing, so that's faster. So this is going to be very, very fast. So hey, my name is Chris. I target mostly financial advisors, tax planners, estate planners, basically service professionals in the financial space. I help them add an extra $100,000 or more to their monthly revenue. Just a quick thing, like you can just play around it. Doesn't need to be perfect. Normally the perfect client makes about $100,000 or more per month. So they're already advanced, they're already running ads. And we help them dial in their advertising system by combining it with content. Sometimes we write a book for them, so that's a huge authority lever for them. So we basically run what we call authority marketing, where we make them the number one authority in their space and then monetize on the back of that. Most of them are male. They're based in the US. Let me quickly check what we need as well. What product or service, right? Results of transformation, ideal customer. I think that's basically it, right? Okay, then we run the prompt, right? We just, and then we take out the next prompt. And the next prompt is going to be run in 2 requirements, right? So that's basically because that's a very long prompt and we want a very detailed answer. So, okay, perfect, right? And then I'm going to run this prompt, boom. And then it's just going to fill out basically everything that they, that they have, right? Basically their niche, what they are, where they're based, what they do, revenue range, current metrics, daily activities, interests, what they read, who they listen to, right, like due to character limits. And it's going to be like, right, exactly, right? So perfect things, right? They fill it all out. Then we like to look at business dreams and desires, right? They want to have like a personal, and it's going to probably be different, but I should have probably, go for each avatar separately, right? So you probably want to just do tax planners, just do financial advisors, estate planners. I mean, like that's my type, but like really go on one avatar at a time. I kind of lump them all together, right? Trends and environment, and that spits it all out. And now we're going to actually give you the pro tip here. So the pro tip is to actually take all of this, right? And then you want to create a custom GPT, right? So that's normally what I do here, right? We're going to chat and explore GPTs, right? And then you want to create a GPT, right? So I want to say probably like, I I want you to be my avatar GPT. This is detailed information on my avatar. And because if you paste it like that, you can actually always call that brand avatar up, right? Such as strategic wealth advisor assistant. Yeah, perfect. I mean, you can create it, right? And then you have your custom GPT, and then you can actually pull that into the conversation with ChatGPT in other conversations. So this will help you create good copy. This will help you create, emails, ads, help you think as well, ask questions, what they might think, right? Obviously, this was just a very quick example, but I think this is a very, good example of what you can actually do. Because what you can then do is you can go to your previous conversations, right? And you can actually pull up the ChatGPT. Normally you would have it here, right? I think I forgot to click save. Might be, yeah. Yeah, I forgot to save it. So then you can pull it up in conversations, and then you can use it there as well. Okay, so now you know how to create your perfect custom avatar in less than 10 minutes. I think it took me like 3 minutes or so. And this is going to be a little bit of a series of video where we're gonna first create the avatar, then create content, create books, create all of the strategic things that you need to actually market your service-based business better. So feel free to follow along, subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment below. And otherwise, YouTube thinks you will like this video, so feel free to watch that. Talk soon, bye.